Alright, so again, two Note 7s right here. Installed two so far. Not pleased with the screen protectors, so I'm going to try another one. This one is the KAPTRON glass screen protector. This actually might be better because it's not a curved glass. So I'm not going to get full coverage, but at least it's going to cover the center of the screen. So it'll be like this. But that leaves a lot of the screen exposed, but that might just be our best bet right now. So let's go with the wet. Followed by the dry. I mean, honestly, I'd almost just rather not go with the screen protector the way things are looking. But if you've seen some of the scratch videos, you'll note that the Gorilla Glass 5, although it might be better at being shatterproof, is actually easier to scratch than the Note 5. And I did have a scratch on my Note 5, so I feel like I definitely need some type of protection on this. Alright, so this is just a single peel. Let's get it centered. Just push down. You'll see right here, it's coming down all the way, sticking on. Okay, so this works. It is case friendly because it leaves so much of the screen unprotected. Looking at the edges, all that part, all that on the top, all of that on the top. I mean, this entire strip is pretty much unprotected. But I guess if you have it in a case, it shouldn't be an issue. And then when I go like this, you can actually see right there you're losing part of the screen, and right there you're losing quite a bit of the screen. So that is the KAPTRON tempered glass screen protector, which out of the ones I've done so far, this might be the best one, which isn't saying much, but for now I'll probably stick with this one on this Note.